Hello, everyone. My name is Tate Boyer. My most recent job title, my current job title, is Linkage Coordinator at the Lehigh Conference of Churches, meaning that I do street outreach to homeless individuals and families. What I'm hoping to get out of this course um, is being better capable and prepared to help people. I think trauma can really apply to everyone we work with, even if there's not significant trauma. Being trauma informed and trauma aware can really help us in every case that we work on. So I'm very, very excited for this course. I think it's very relevant to my future career, and it's definitely relevant to my current career working in homelessness. Trauma is a fairly significant factor with homelessness that I don't think is always recognized, but definitely is a significant factor. Three ways in which I'm going to take care of myself this semester. I have a regular group of friends that I get together with to play games, and we have an ongoing D&D campaign, Dungeons and Dragons, for those of you not in the know, that my wife is actually running. Another thing that I'm doing regularly is date night with my wife, every week, one night a week, as the rest of the nights I'm working on schoolwork and reading. And then the third way is just being with and taking care of my animals. My wife and I live on a big farm with lots of cows, but we also have 3 cats and a big German Shepherd that we have in the home. So just being with the animals definitely helps keep my stress down, and helps me take care of myself. I look forward to learning more with all of you. Bye.